Find the values of the trig functions, the other 6, with these clues. Tangent of theta is negative 3/4, and cosine of theta is greater than 0. Class, where do all students go? All what? Tangent is negative. Put your finger where cotangent is positive. Class, can tangent be negative here? No. Putting an X for no. Therefore, tangent is negative in these two quadrants. Class, this one says cosine is positive. Put your fingers where cosine is positive. All the trig functions and cosine is reciprocal. Therefore, my triangle is in quadrant 4. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay. Now, I know it's in quadrant 4, but here's a question, and it should double verify itself what we've done so far. Class, what do you know about tangent? Partner A tell partner B, what is tangent in terms of x, y, and r? Sorry, what do we know about tangent? Y over x. Okay. Think about this in your head. Don't say it out loud. If we know that tangent is y over x, this negative has to be assigned to one of the variables. It has to be assigned either to the 3 or the 4. Think in your head. The answer is the 3. Because if your x value is, I need to draw it here in quadrant 4, can I have negative 4? No. So my x value is going to be 4, and my y value is going to be negative 3. Again, how did I know that? Well, tangent has to be negative. So that means the y over the x has to be a negative expression. And that negative has to go somewhere. I don't want to go away from quadrant 4. I want to go towards quadrant 4. So if I make x 4 and y equal to negative 3, then I can draw my triangle. Remember yesterday we learned to draw our reference angles. That's the bow tie. Partner A tell partner B, how do you find the R value? Charlotte, how do you find the R value? Let's use the Pythagorean theorem. Charlotte, tell me the Pythagorean theorem. Yep. X is 4. Y is negative 3. Class 4 squared. Negative 3 squared. R squared equals. Take the square root. R is equal to positive or negative 5. And then we're only going to use the positive value. Raise your hand if you got R equals 5. Ian, what is sine in terms of x, y, and r? Tell me the numbers now. Thank you. Diana, tell me cosine. Letters first. So x over r. And that would give you what numbers? Yep. Just going to go through these really quickly. Y over x, so I have negative 3/4. We already knew that. That was a given information, right? And then I could just take the reciprocals. Class, which ones are the only answers that are positive? Because we're in quadrant 4, all of my answers of cosine and its reciprocal are positive. All the other ones are negative. And that's the whole point of all students take calculus. It tells us where the trig functions are positive and negative.